Hi there, this is the true servant of mankind, with a vision, with a mission, with a purpose. I'll let you know the interesting story of Diogenes. He was a beggarly scholar, Diogenes the cynic, Diogenes the dog, Diogenes of Sinope, Athens, Greece. He was totally different than ordinary people. He renounced material power, positions, and everything. It was nothing for him, it was dust and dirt. What he realized is absolute freedom. Live true to the natural abilities without carrying too much of burden. So sometimes he had to work here and there and beg. Once he was cleaning vegetables, I think definitely he was doing something, some service to a restaurant, so get some food. Most of the time he was not getting food, even he was beaten, hit and ridiculed by the people like a dog. Then Plato was his contemporary. Plato was walking through him on the road of Athens. And he asked, I know, Diogenes, you are my guru and guide. Socrates gone mad. You are so capable, why didn't you court the kings? You can advise the kings. You are so wise and so intelligent and so capable. He really mocked, joked and laughed ridiculously and said, if I am happy cleaning vegetables, why I should go and waste my time with the kings? I have nothing to do with power, position and wealth and material. Friends, this is inspiring story for all of you. If I am happy with selling oil, petrol, diesel, charging vehicles, what's wrong with me? Nothing. I love it. I like it. I want to serve people. If I am happy giving services for automotive sector, washing their cars and vehicles and every vehicle, repairing their machines and making their life happy, with the best ability and capability and the full measure of my love and affection, kindness, compassion for the people, what's wrong with me? Because I love it and like it. It is your passion. Live with your passion. Never discriminate giving service. The service of Narendra Modi is as good as my sisters and brothers who are brooming and cleaning the streets. And don't just impose your stupidity, opinions on somebody who is doing. Don't believe you are too smart. You can ruin the life. I've seen some people giving counseling free without wits and intelligence and ruining the life of the people. Millions of dollars and money were wasted. Just support if you are very kind and generous. Don't impose your opinion on people, friends. If I am happy, training people how to be fit, by yoga, meditation and motivation, why I should go and be somebody which I am not born to be. I must be what I can be. If I start a sports and fitness center called Chaudhary Sports and Fitness Center, with all the best infrastructure, cricket, tennis, volleyball, basketball, pickleball and all those wonderful sports, a gym, also a wonderful meditation center where I can brainwash the man from negativity to positivity. Why should I go and be somebody, chamchas, butterer? I have the opportunity to see the greats and I see how hollow they are. They are the cheapest people, surrounded by criminals, crookeds, because that is the way they are accumulating wealth. Thieves, robbers, criminals, they are dominating the country today in India. There are rarely some people who are really loving the motherland and their citizens. The divided mentality of the man, caste, creed, race and religion, they are breaking the society. They are making the people miserable because they are corrupt people. They are selfish and greedy. I don't belong to that category. I am Diogenes the Great. I don't fear any such bloody fools. Your post, power, positions and dominance has nothing to do with me. I don't want your certification. I don't want your validation. I met so many crooked, but sometimes I keep silence. I am a saint, I am a stoic, I am Buddha, Vivekananda. I ignore these fools. Generally I don't do. I love and respect everyone. But if they are so dirty, they are so rascal, imposters, criminals, Had I been Lord Krishna, I could have raised the war of Mahabharata, eliminate the Duryodhana. But I am ordinary Buddha. I wish there could be some dirts of my shoes and become little good man. So don't impose your opinions. Maybe it is good, but it doesn't suit everyone. As it didn't suit that great Diogenes the dog to court the kings, he was happy cleaning vegetables. Let me do what I want. You do what you like. This is the true principle of great success. Be engaged in a labor of love. Thank you, viewers.